Namaste. Today we delve into one of the most pivotal and intense battles of the Kargil War, the Battle of Tololing. This battle not only changed the course of the war but also showcased extraordinary bravery and sacrifice by the Indian Army. Let's dive into this gripping story of valor and determination. Tololing is a name that resonates whenever the Kargil War of 1999 is mentioned. This strategic hill feature dominated the Srinagar-Kargil Leh road, and its capture by Pakistani forces posed a significant threat to Indian supply lines. Reclaiming Tololing was vital for the safety of all Indian traffic plying to Leh, but it led to one of the bloodiest battles in the Kargil War exactly 25 years ago. On the night of June 13, 1999, Indian commanders led a daring assault to reclaim Tololing. The main frontal assault was carried out by brave troop of two Rajputana rifles and grenadiers. This battle was a turning point in the Kargil War, breaking the morale of the entrenched Pakistani troops. However, this victory came at a great cost, with many Indian soldiers laying down their lives. The intensity of the battle is evident from the fact that 4 Mahavir Chakras and 2 Veer Chakras were awarded, with all 4 Mahavir Chakras being awarded posthumously. Major Rajesh Adhikari, Major Vivek Gupta, Major Padampani Acharya, and Havaldar Digendra Kumar were the brave soldiers who received the Mahavir Chakra. Colonel Ravindranath and Captain Vijayan Thapar were awarded the Veer Chakra for their gallantry. The Battle of Tololing was a fierce confrontation between Indian troops and a battalion of the Northern Light Infantry of Pakistan who were entrenched on high ground. Important peaks in the Tololing range include Point 510 and Point 4875, while Tiger Hill and Point 5100 lie to the west. The repeated assaults by Indian troops culminated in India taking control of the peak, changing the course of the Kargil War significantly. The battles for Tololing were incredibly tough, lasting almost a month from May 22 to June 16, 1999. Indian soldiers faced stark choices, often jettisoning their dry rations for additional bullets and ammunition. The Pakistanis were so well entrenched that some Indian soldiers barely managed to move an inch ahead for 16 straight days. When the feature was finally captured, Indian soldiers found at least 50 Pakistani bodies strewn across large area. The Pakistanis had stocked ghee-tint pineapple butter and honey in their bunkers. Starving soldiers used butter dipped in honey for breakfast, and the ghee was used to keep warm in freezing temperatures that culminated below minus 10 degrees Celsius. In the assault by two Rajputana rifles, even the unit cook and carpenter participated. Carpenter Uttam Singh, despite his night blindness, carried ammunition up the hill by holding on to the man ahead of him. Captain Kangar Su performed extraordinary feats, climbing a cliff face barefoot while lugging a light machine gun on his back. The news of heavy casualties suffered by two Rajputana rifles reached training centers far from the battlefield. In a remarkable display of patriotism, at least 300 recruits from the Rajputana Rifles made formal requests to their training formations, asking to be sent to Kargil to fight the enemy. The Battle of Tololing stands as a testament to the bravery and sacrifice of the Indian Army. Their determination and courage not only reclaimed a strategic position but also changed the tide of the Kargil War, ensuring the safety and security of the nation. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more stories of bravery and heroism. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.